Hello, hello, hello. Hello everyone. Today we have the review of the Motorola Moto Badge Plus headphones. The Moto Badge Plus are true wireless headphones, which means they don't have any type of cable. In this case they are in-ear, so they have the typical interchangeable silicone gel tips that are inserted into the ear. They use Bluetooth 5.3 technology and have an approximate range of about 10 meters. Each of the headphones mounts a dual dynamic driver with a buffer of a size of 11 millimeters along with a tweeter with a size of 6 millimeters. Additionally, they have the Sound by Bose certification, so the audio quality is 100% guaranteed. Along with this, we have compatibility with high-res audio and with the Dolby Atmos and Dolby Head tracking systems, a technology that calibrates the direction of the sound as we move our heads. They have ANC external noise cancellation technology, so we can listen to music peacefully without any disturbance from outside. They also have a transparent mode, with which, on the contrary, we can hear the exterior perfectly while listening to music. These headphones' active noise cancellation system has an adaptive mode, which increases or decreases the noise cancellation based on our environment. Naturally, they also have a microphone, in this case 3 for each headphone, and an ANC noise cancellation system to enhance voices to the maximum. Along with them, as always with these type of headphones, comes a carrying case, which also serves as a charging base and portable battery, so we can charge the headphones wherever we are. The headphones battery provides about 8 hours of continuous use at medium volume with noise cancellation off. On the other hand, with noise cancellation on, they last us about 5 hours at medium volume. In addition, factoring in the battery in the carrying case, we get a total use time of about 38 hours with noise cancellation off, and about 24 hours with noise cancellation on. Aside from this, they also support fast charging, so with just 10 minutes of charge, we gain approximately 3 hours of use. Officially, the headphones do not have any resistance certification, but Motorola insists that they are completely sweat and splash resistant. Lastly, they come in 2 colors, this dark grey and beige, and are priced at approximately €150. Below, as always in the description, I'll leave you a direct link in case you want to grab some. Now then guys, once we've seen the specifications, we're going to unbox it. Well guys, as for the contents of the box, this is what we're going to find inside the Motorola Moto Buds Plus. On the one hand, of course, we have the carrying case with the headphones inside it, which, as always, we'll set aside to take a closer look at later. As for the accessories, we easily start with the instructions or quick start guide that comes in several languages. We also have the USB-C charging cable, which we'll use to charge the carrying case and thus charge the headphones. And finally, we have replacement in-ear rubber tips. In this case, these headphones come with 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Here we have the S and the L, which are the small and large sizes, and then the M is the one already fitted on the headphones. Alright guys, once we've done with the unboxing, we're moving on to the really interesting part, which is to look at the headphones in detail. As always, before we delve into the earbuds themselves, let's briefly review the charging and carrying case. With the earbuds inside, it weighs 49 grams. Regarding the dimensions, it's 6 centimeters wide, 4.5 centimeters tall, and about 2 centimeters thick. On the top, as you can see, we have the Motorola logo along with the Sound by Bose logo. On the back, we find the USB-C charging port, and on the front, there's an LED indicator. Finally, if we open the lid, we find the headphones right away. These, as always, are perfectly magnetized, firstly to prevent them from falling out, and secondly to ensure proper charging. Inside, where the headphones sit, we find the markings for left and right along with the reset button for the headphones. Each earbud weighs 5 grams. As you can see, they're of stick type and measure approximately 3 centimeters. When it comes to pairing the headphones with our mobile phone, the process is very simple. First, we need to open the carrying case and take out both earbuds. Once they're out of the carrying case, we go to the mobile phone's Bluetooth settings and activate it. With Bluetooth active, we just wait for the Moto Buds Plus to show up as available to connect. all we have to do is tap on the Moto Buds Plus, wait a moment, and without doing anything else, the headphones are connected and ready to use. At this point, once they're paired, to disconnect or connect them, we simply put them back in the carrying case or take them out. As you will see, once the headphones are put back in the case, they disconnect by themselves. And if we take them out again without doing anything else, they reconnect. Let's quickly look at the headphone controls now. With either earbud, left or right, double tap to play and pause. Double tap whatever you're watching to pause and double tap again to resume. Triple tap the left earbud to go to the previous track, and with the right earbud, we'll go to the next track. Finally, the last control on the headphones is press and hold. Visually, nothing changes when we press and hold, but internally, doing it on either the left or right earbud is what allows us to change the listening mode from active noise cancellation, ANC, to transparency mode or adaptive ANC. In conclusion, the Moto Buds Plus offer us a very high sound quality with very defined and clear bass and treble. They also have a very good volume level, and having them between approximately 60 and 70% will be enough to hear them very loud. As advantages, besides their great audio quality, they have a good battery level, and at medium volume, they can last us a workday without a problem. We also have very good battery life in the carrying case, so that we can spend many days out there without worrying. The noise cancellation works really well. It's very noticeable. When we switch from ambient mode to ANC, and the adaptive mode also works quite correctly, modulating the cancellation relative to the noise outside. Alright guys, that's the review of the true wireless Motorola Moto Buds Plus headphones. As always, if the video has been helpful to you, don't forget to leave me a good like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss anything. For my part, nothing more. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.